Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, the schools have been thrown open for the physical mode of teaching right from the 1st of March 2021 for secondary and senior secondary schools. Dear students, last year you met with a huge academic loss because of pandemic, and this pandemic is also putting heavy impact on the entire globe. And yesterday, two teachers in Kopwada were tested as positive, and also the zonal education officer Kumriel. Their students, you have to follow all precautionary measures or SOPs in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus can't catch you. Life should be given the first priority over the rest of the things, and when life is there, the rest of the things would be in your life if there is life. Dear students of class 12th, subject political science. Today we are dealing with very important topic in your political science, that is the shock therapy. Dear students in medical science, shock therapy is given to a person who has some mental disorders. In economy, it is a theory that is the sudden and dramatical change in the national economic policy, and that can turn a state controlled system into free markets, and economic liberalization is there, or we can say it's a move from socialism state controlled system to the democratic capitalism, capitalism, or capitalism in which there is free marketing, and this goes to increase the rates of employment, to improve the conditions of lives of the people. In Russia, there was this transaction, there was this change. It was state-controlled system, that was the communism, or the socialism. It was a move from socialism to democratic capitalism. So the state-controlled system went in the hands of private hands. So privatization was there, free marketing was there, and before that in Russia it was a fully state-controlled system. And shock therapy had its impacts in Russia. For example, the people lost all their savings, the value of Russian currency ruble decreased, and all the subsidies given to the people from the state were lifted, and people lost their savings. So you have to keep in the mind that it was a move in Russia from state controlled system, or the socialism or communism, to the to democratic capitalism. This shock therapy was given to the Russia in order to improve the economic policy or the economy of Russia, but initially it had some bad impacts on the entire Russia, Eastern Europe, and Central Asia countries where socialism was going smoothly, but it was not meeting the aspirations of the people. So the sudden release of prices, subsidies were lifted, economic liberation was there, the public owned assets went in the hands of private, privatization was there, economic liberalization was there. This whole phenomenon is called the shock therapy. In a shock therapy, people lost their savings, the Russian currency, that ruble, decreased, its value was decreased, and also it had the impact on the overall production in Russia. For example, Russia now became, after this shock therapy, became the importer of the food items, and before that it was exporting. So you have to keep in the mind that in economics, the shock therapy is a dramatical and sudden change the- in the national economic policy that can turn a state uh, from state controlled system into privatization. It was a move from socialism to democratic capitalism. It was the move from state controlled system to privatization to free marketing. So, dear students, shock therapy had its impact on Russia, Eastern Europe, and Central Asia, where the people were following or the states were following the communism or state controlled system. In Russia, the currency, the value of currency decreased, the subsidies were lifted, and then public assets that were the assets that were owned by the public went in the hands of private, and there was a privatization. Free marketing was there, and it had the impact on the overall Russian economy and Central Asia and Eastern Europe. Dear students, I am repeating the things for the you. In a medical science, shock therapy is a treatment given to a person who has some mental disorders. Keeping this view in mind, the shock therapy in Russia was also a treatment given to raise the given to people to raise their standard rates of employment, to increase the rates of employment, to improve the conditions of the people, or we can say it was a move or it was a treatment given to people that who are following the socialism, and it was a move from socialism to democratic capitalism. Or we can say the economic liberalization was there, the private free marketing was there, so privatization concept came there, or we can say the model that Russians were following, that was the communism or the socialism. There was a democratic change, there was a sudden change in communism. So going from communism to democratic socialism, democratic capitalism, is the shock therapy. So dear students, this shock therapy had its impacts on Russia. The Russian currency, that is the ruble, decreased, its value decreased. People lost their savings. The Russia, who was the good in production of agriculture, now was importing the agricultural items or agricultural things. Their students, thus we can say the shock therapy that was that hit Russia, or we can say the economic theory that was in Russia. It was a sudden change in the economic policy of Russia, or it was that turned a state-controlled system into the free marketing, or it was a move from socialism or communism to the democratic capitalism, and it had some impacts on the Russian economy. People lost their savings, the value of ruble decreased, state controlled system, that is the socialism, that did not finally meet the aspirations of people, and the state controlled system slowly and gradually became the democratic capitalism, became the free market, and economic liberalization was there. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling or by WhatsApping within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to see these things on your available political science reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. Dear students, self-study and hard work can take your board to the bank. And one more important thing is there, still coronavirus is moving here and there. You must follow all SOPs in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus can't catch you. And when life is there, other things will come. Thanks. Be balanced.